Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Samatha Learn and Grow. In this video, we are going to do basic subtractions on the Abacus scale. Basic subtractions. Okay, in this video, I am going to do easy sums. Complicated sums will be done with the help of formula. In the further videos, I'll be explaining you first the formula, and then I'm going to explain you how to do with the help of formulas on Abacus scale. These are just normal sums, and this also you have to learn. That is the reason I'm doing here. Complicated sums, how you will do on Abacus scale with the help of formula. Those formulas I'll be giving you in the further videos. So now we'll do these sums. Okay, here in this video I'm going to do 2 digits and 1 digit sums. Okay, clear the scale. First, 4 minus 1 minus 1. So as it's ones place, I'm going to do in the ones place rod. 4 minus means what? You have to bring the bit downwards with the index finger. Minus 1 means again you have to come back. Only one. Addition means you have to move to the answer bar. Subtraction means you have to remove from there. So I am bringing it down with index finger. Again minus 1. So finally what is our answer? It's 2. See friends, when I am adding 5, I am using index finger. When I am minusing 5, also I am using index finger, because they are above the answer bar. Coming to the bits which are below the answer bar, we are using thumb finger for adding, and for subtracting we are using index finger. Okay, clear the scale. Second one, 3 minus 2 minus 1. 3 minus 2 minus 1. So what is our answer? It's 0. Clear the scale. Third one, 4, add 4, subtract 2 and subtract 1. So what is our answer? It's 1. Got it? Yes, clear the scale. Let us do the fourth one. Fourth one, 40 minus 10 minus 20. Okay, clear the scale. 40 means it's in tens place, so I have to add 40, subtract 10, subtract 20. So what is our answer? It's 10. Clear the scale. Now fifth one, 30 minus 10 minus 10. 30, I'm subtracting 10, and again I'm subtracting 10 from that. So what is our answer? It's 10. Clear the scale. Sixth one, 20 minus 10 minus 10. I'm going to add 20 and I'm going to subtract 10, and again I'm going to subtract 10. So what is our answer? It's 0. Coming to the next one, clear the scale. 44 minus 11 minus 10. So what you have to do, you have to move 40 in the tens place rod and 4 in the ones place rod. So this is 44. Next I am going to remove 11. 10 in the tens place rod and 1 in the ones place rod. Again minus 10. So what is our answer? It's 23. Clear the scale. Next, 32 minus 10 minus 11. I'm going to add 32. I'm going to remove 10. Again now I'm going to remove 11. What is our answer now? It's 11. Clear the scale. Now 36 minus 20 minus 10. I'm going to add first 36. Next I'm going to remove 20. Again I'm going to remove 10. So what is our value now? It's 6. Clear the scale. Next, 10th one. 24 minus 12 minus 10. 24 minus 12 minus 10. So what is our answer? It's 2. Clear the scale. Next sum. 63 minus 13 minus 50. 63 minus 13 minus 50. So what is our answer? It's 0. Next, clear the scale. 84 minus 14 minus 20. 84 minus 14 minus 20. So what is our answer now? It's 50. Got it, friends? Friends, please subscribe my channel so that you can understand the subject more easily, and you will be getting the updates of the further videos also. Okay friends, thank you. Take care.